Hi, hello, welcome back to Simply Learn German. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you the numbers from 21 to 1000. So let's get started. 21, it's not 20 and 1. In German, it's 1 and 20. So, ein und zwanzig. Und means and. Ein und zwanzig. Zwei und zwanzig. 22. Drei und zwanzig. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And 31 is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And so on. 50 is 50, 60 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 101 or you can say 101, 102, 103, 104 and so on 110. 121 is 121. 122 is 122. 123. 189 is 189 and so on. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Cheers.